Today I'm going to be doing a split color Dutch pour. I've done one in purples before, but it didn't turn out like some of my other ones have, so I wanted to try again. I have my 14 by 18 inch canvas, and then I have a variety of shades of purple that I'll be using. I have them all thinned down with floetrol and water. I also have some gold for my pop of a metallic color, and then 2 shades of my purple are also metallic. And I just have my sponge brushes to smooth my white and light purple out. This one was an orange one that I did, and I have some copper in there, so you can see that color in there. This one I really like, and then this other yellow one. These were normally not colors that I use a lot. This one is one of my favorites. I don't know if I'm gonna hang this one. I'm also, like I said, I've gotten them varnished, so I'm going to be adding some paintings to my Etsy soon and updating that. So I may put these up, but I wanted to do similar to this, where I have a lighter color purple in one corner and then my white in the other corner, and then my colors through the middle. I'm just gonna start by doing my purple down half. And then before I forget, I will also show I have my small hair dryer. It's got that little concentrator on it, which works out really well for me. So this has become my new favorite for my Dutch pours. All right, so I got that down. I made sure that I have my edges covered, and now we'll do the white. So now that I have my base coat down, I'm just going to start adding some of my colors, and I'm going to do my darker purples on the bottom and then put my lighter ones and the gold on. And I think I'll have quite a bit of these purples left over, so I may do another pour with them in the future. Yeah, I got a lot of that, and I'll have a lot of this one. And then my gold. And then just a little more. I'll do just a little bit of my base coats on the side to help all the paint move. All right. So I just leave this on the low setting. The high setting gets really, really hot, so I don't use it on that. That one is really pretty. This, I was worried, I'll show you, that this deep violet would be too much of a different shade to use with these, but that popping up in here is really pretty. And that gold is creating some really beautiful cells in here. So I'm just gonna leave this one as is. Hopefully it dries well. I think it will. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you want to see some other split color Dutch pours, I was thinking about doing a rainbow of them because I haven't done anything like the reds or a really bright lime green yet. I haven't even done a blue one yet, so I have a lot of different colors that I can do. But let me know what you think. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.